The Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here. We've just gotten our first on video of Samsung's next big flagship device, and it's making waves. Let's dive into the details about the S25 Ultra and discuss some significant decisions Samsung has made for 2025. This video, originally shared on Reddit and later confirmed by multiple reputable leakers on Twitter, shows what appears to be the real Galaxy S25 Ultra, not a fake or mock-up. In real-life footage, the S25 Ultra maintains a boxy design, but now features more comfortable, rounded edges. The display is mostly flat with just a tiny curve, and the familiar punch-hole camera is in the center, indicating that Samsung isn't adopting under-display camera technology for its 2025 flagship. The volume rocker and power button remain on the right side of the phone. On the back, there are for camera sensors, a wide-angle lens, dual telephoto lenses, and an ultra-wide dangle lens. The device appears to run One UI 7, as evidenced by the redesigned battery icon seen in the video. Compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra is noticeably thinner, lighter, and easier to handle. Despite its slimmer profile, it still packs the iconic S Pen, maintaining Samsung's competitive edge in this price range. In breaking news, Samsung has reportedly terminated several of its senior executives. According to Korean media, this decision stems from poor performance in Samsung's semiconductor division. The much-anticipated Exynos 2500 chipset, which Samsung had been working hard to develop, will not make it into the Galaxy S25 series. Due to low production yields and performance issues, the S25 lineup will exclusively feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy in all markets. While this is great news for customers who will benefit from the superior Snapdragon chip, it's a significant setback for Samsung's semiconductor ambitions. Additionally, Google has reportedly dropped Samsung as a partner for its Pixel 10 series, opting to work with TSMC instead. Looking ahead, the Galaxy S25 series may include a groundbreaking AI upgrade. Samsung is rumored to be in talks with OpenAI to integrate Chak's advanced AI capabilities into their Galaxy AI platform. By combining Chak's framework with Samsung's upcoming One UI 7.0 features, Samsung could significantly enhance user experiences and compete more effectively in the AI space. Discussions are ongoing, so more updates are expected soon. That's everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Samsung's plans for the future. What are your thoughts on the S25 Ultra and these major changes? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates.